Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for Tuesday, 18th February 2025. Political news. Opposition criticizes US F-35 jet proposal. Russia offers alternative. The Indian opposition has voiced concerns over US President Donald Trump's proposal to sell F-35 fighter jets to India, citing high costs and criticisms from figures like Elon Musk, who labeled the jet junk. In response, Russia has proposed local production of its advanced Su-57 jets under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Make in India initiative. The government has yet to make a commitment regarding the US offer, describing it as preliminary. Surge in anti-minority hate speech. Reported a recent study by the India Hate Lab, based in Washington, indicates a 74% increase in anti-minority hate speech in India during 2024. The research documented 1,165 incidents, with a significant portion occurring between March and June, coinciding with the general election campaign. Notably, 80% of these incidents took place in states governed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, and its allies. Resurgence of ancient Hindu sects amid political support. The Kumbh Mela festival in Prayagraj witnessed participation from over 400 million devotees, highlighting a resurgence of ancient Hindu Akhara sects. More than 10,000 new sadhus were initiated, a growth attributed to support from Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Hindu nationalist government, which advocates for a Hindu state. The event saw significant government investment and featured appearances by Modi and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Sports news. India's cricket dominance faces on-field challenges. India's influence in cricket continues to grow, both financially and in terms of global reach. The Indian Premier League, IPL, has become a billion-dollar event, and India commands a significant share of the International Cricket Council's earnings. However, recent on-field performances, including losses in major tournaments, suggest that financial dominance hasn't fully translated into consistent international success. Upcoming events like the 2025 Women's World Cup and the 2028 Olympics present opportunities for further achievements. Pakistan set to host major cricket tournament after decades. For the first time since 1996, Pakistan is poised to host a significant International Cricket Council tournament, with the Champions Trophy commencing this Wednesday. Despite India's refusal to play on Pakistani soil, leading to a hybrid hosting model with matches in the UAE, Pakistan will host 10 games, including a semi-final. The nation has upgraded major stadiums in Karachi, Lahore, and Rawalpindi in preparation for the event. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.